Hello, my ICTA students. This is your first assignment in your displays booklet. Okay, so first thing, make sure you're on a brand new sheet. Make sure you've got no spacing on, and you know that. And the instructions say key in Winnipeg. So key in Winnipeg. Oh, whoa, spell it right. IPEG. And then it says press enter 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. And did you see school division come in there? Just select it and delete it and backspace once. Okay, go back down here to your blank paragraph symbol. And now it says save your work. So you're going to go File, Save As, and you're going to go to Browse, and you're going to go to your U drive. Okay, so I'm going to go to my U drive. Hold on here, I can't pick it out right now. There it is. Okay, there's my U drive, and I'm going to go to ICTA slot 4, and we're going to go to displays. Okay, you're going to go to displays. And now we're going to call this, you're supposed to call it your name, so put in your name, the current date for you, and called Vacation Plans, VACATION, Plans. So make sure you name it properly and save it. Okay, so now it says key in the following lines and set a left tab. Well, first of all, put on your caps lock and type in memorandum. Okay, all right, take your caps lock off, press enter twice. 3 times actually, and now we'll type on here. Now on this line you're going to type TO, leave your caps lock on, put it on, TO, and then put in your colon, and now stop here, and you're going to put a left tab, and you see it's on left at point 9, so click at point 9 right there. Okay, now press your tab key, and you're going to take off your caps lock and type Shelley with a Y, would. Okay, now, well, I want a capital W there. All right, and press enter. And now I want to put my caps lock on and type from, FROM, colon, tab, take your caps lock off, and type Leslie, LESLEE, Smith, SMITH. And that's got a red line under it because it's not in its dictionary, but that's fine. Press enter. Put your caps lock on and type date, colon, and now tab. And remember, we always insert the date, insert, and date and time, and you want the 3rd date. Now, we don't want it to update automatically, so make sure there's no check mark there. Say OK. All right, press enter, and put your caps lock on, and put in subject, SUBJECT, colon, and press your tab key, and take off your caps lock and put in Vacation Plans. Oh, VACATION, Plans. All right, and now press enter a couple times, maybe there. And now we want to type in, so make sure your caps lock is not on, so we're going to type this piece in. Oh, update. Hi, my ICT students. I finished typing the paragraph, and just so that it saves time on the video, so you'll put that in. Type your paragraph in and then put your initials on, and then it says press enter 4 times, so press enter 4 times. And did you notice how the capital letter went on my name? So remember, Shift F3, put on 2 little letters for your initials, and then come back here and you are to type in Manitoba, and then press enter 4 times and type in Canada, and press enter 4 times and type in North America. Okay, and I'm going to go Shift F3 here in North America just to get a capital A there, and press enter 4 times, and now save our work. So go Control S to save. Okay, so we're going to start off with borders and shading. So it tells you to select Winnipeg. All right, And then it says click on the Borders and Shading button. So go up here, your Home tab, and then you want to go to this button, Borders and Shading. Come right down to the bottom. And it asks you to choose a line style, any line style, but you know what, choose a thicker one so that you can see it, okay? And it says to you that you're going to choose a color, so I'm going to choose red. You can choose any color you want. And it says choose a line thickness. Do you want to make it thicker? Sure, let's make it thicker, okay? And now it tells me to click on the left border, so I'm going to click on the left border. I could do it here, or I can do it here, whichever way you want. And then it says click on the right border, so click on the right border, on, off, and then leave it off. And then it says you've now removed the right border. So I have red on the top, red on the bottom, which is fine. And as I say, you can choose whatever color you want. All right, now it says choose a different line style. So I'm going to go down and choose, maybe this one. No, you won't be able to see that one that well. I'll go down and I'll choose this one. Okay, and I'm going to choose a different color. I'm going to go to more colors and choose this green. Say okay, and now I'm going to, I'll put it up thicker to match the other one, so I'll go with that. And I'm going to put it on the left and put it on the right. And that's what it asks us to do. Okay, all right, so now it also says nothing else. So it says click OK to close out. Now, Winnipeg, I want to size it up and I want to center it. Okay, so now do you see that you have the top border and bottom border are matching? The left and right borders are matching. All right, go Control S to save. Okay, the next thing it tells us is on this blank paragraph symbol, there's 1, 2, 3. This is number 2 here. Now, we could put it on the top of this paragraph symbol or on the bottom of this one, but I'm going to put it on the bottom of this one. So we're going to go to Borders and Shading. Now, we want the plain line, but be careful here on the width. You want about a 1/2 point or 3/4 of a point, no more. So I think I'll go with 3/4, and we want to put it on the bottom. So there it is on the bottom. Say OK. And there's yours, and yours looks just like mine now. All right, save your work. You know, save every 3 minutes. Okay, the next piece is it tells you to select Manitoba. And this time we want a different color and different border on all the way around. So first of all, let's size up Manitoba, center it, just so that you can see that. All right, and now we're going to go to Borders and Shading. Borders and Shading. Now, choose a line style, doesn't matter what, okay? And choose a color. So I'm going to go with purple. Take off the left, take off the right, take off the bottom. Now I want to get a different line style, so I'm going to take this one, and I'm going to make it green. And I'm going to put it on the bottom. All right, then I'm going to choose, here, the triple one I didn't take. So I'm going to make it gold and put it on the left. And now on the right, I want to put a squiggly one. Okay, no, 2 squiggles. And I want to make it blue. No, I want to make it brighter than that. So I'm going to go to more colors and choose pink. Okay, I chose pink. So I'm going to put pink. So now I got 4 different line styles, which I'm supposed to have. And shading, remember, stay out of here. This is 100% toner. Take a look. 100%. No, stay out of there. Here, 15%. That's what your booklets are done. That's max. 15%. Now choose your color, whatever you want, and I'm going to go with purple. All right, and say OK. So now you see 4 different line styles and you see your shading. But it also asks us now to use the left indent. And I see that I forgot something to mention to you, but I'll do that in a minute. No, I won't. I'll come back here. Here's where our tab was set, and we should have cleaned it off. And I forgot to tell you that, and that's my fault. So we're going to come down here, and we're going to drag that tab off. So remember, when you get here, clean your tabs off, like we did in the tabs booklet every time. All right, so now on Manitoba, you're going to point to the rectangle. And remember, it has to say left indent. And now, when it says left indent, you drag in 1 inch. If you drag the left indent in 1 inch, you have to drag the right indent in 1 inch. All right, so now you see it's perfectly centered and you've come in 1 inch on each side. All right, go Control S to save. Okay, this time select Canada. And on Canada, you're going to make an unique line. Okay, so on Canada, first of all, we're going to size it up, but we're not going to center it because we weren't supposed to. Okay, so we want to put a bottom border on. So go here, borders and shading. Now go choose a thick line. Again, it doesn't matter to me what you choose. And choose your own color. I'm going to go with pink. And I'm going to make this one 6 points just to make it really large. But I only want it on the bottom. That's it. Okay, apply. So now you see the pink line. Now you are to go to your blank paragraph symbol. And you're going to go to borders and shading and choose a different line. Okay, so I'm going to go down and I'm going to choose this line. And I'm going to choose my green, but I'm going to make it thick like this. Might be ugly, but we'll try it. Take it off the bottom, take it off the left, take it off the right. On the top only. So now do you see your unique line? The pink is on the bottom. How do you know? Watch. If I drag the right indent, do you see that it only moves the pink line? Okay, I'm going to put it back to where it's supposed to be. And now if I go to this paragraph symbol, watch. If I drag the right indent, note that the green line moves. Okay, don't touch here. It says right margin. Don't change the right margin. You're only touching the right indent. Okay, so this paragraph symbol has the pink line. This paragraph symbol has the green line. Okay, they're totally different, but you have a unique line. Okay, save your work and go Control S to save. And now we want to do North America. And I have to hustle here because I'm going to run out of time. So we're going to go to size it up. And now we want to go to borders and shading. And I'm not going to take much time here. I'm going to say choose a line style. There's a line style. I want to choose orange. And I want it on the bottom only. So I know I took it off at the bottom only. I want shading. And I want 15%. And I'm going with orange. All right, say OK. And then, oh, I didn't grab the orange. Okay, and now say OK. Now go to the blank paragraph symbol. And I want to go to borders and shading and choose a different line style. And I want a different color. I'll go with green. I'm going to make it thicker. And I want it on the top only. So take it off and put it on the top only. And I want to go to shading. And I want 15%. And I want green. All right. And now on North America, it tells you to have a right indent of 2 inches. So grab your right indent in and bring it in 2 inches. All right. Now, on the blank paragraph symbol, it tells you to bring it in a left indent of 0.5 and a right indent of 1 inch. And save it. Stop right there. That's as far as I've got.